So my idea was to put the 3D printing is the futuristic technology. So you start to explore things with the Fractal Julia extended machines. Initially, we were creating parts to make samples. These are few samples that we have made in that machine. So one is that of the perfection of the machine. It is not giving so much of problems. This particular machine, I am very happy with its performance. I have been in the communication line from last 35 years. We are into various communication systems like films, audiovisuals, exhibitions and all. The moment I visited Fractal, my intuition said that this is a nice team of people, very energetic, young, and people with a lot of passion there. When I bought the machine, whenever some small things or there some service call or something, their response is, it is more than my expectations. If I think that they'll come tomorrow, they might have come today evening itself. Their way of approach, the response, it is very professional, I can say. Very professional, and the passion I like the most. So they improve their technology, they are updating their technology. Very humanistic values, that's the thing I like. The conventional customers are the industrial customers and these things. But we tried with some of the customers like filmmaking, art, material, sets, exhibitions and all. For them particularly, if you take a film set, so we made some miniatures and that was very useful. Instead of burning the entire set, a miniature can be burnt, and the miniature is to the scale. It is not like the manual miniatures earlier they used to do. So even in exhibitions, instead of only flat flex banners and all, they can give models, they can keep models. So these are the applications we tried. So it can be some 3D model for exhibition or for a school, or we tried some item for with the gear of a vehicle and also some educative items. So a lot of scope is there. This one particular wrench which we have printed. So any visitor who comes to my office, he will ask, is it really printed in 3D printing? So then we'll explain them, yes, see the machine, so they like. So we can actually to design, develop new product designs. This is very, very useful. I had never seen a wrench with such a bent thing, but I had think about more than 300 people, 400 people asked me, so where do you get this wrench? So that's the beauty of 3D printing.